Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to join a Discord server without any invites, or if you don't have the invite link. So as you can see, we're currently on Discord desktop or PC. So just click on add the server here, click on that, and click on join a server here, and you'll see the invite link. So you don't have the invite link, right? So you'll just need to type this HTTPS, like this one, HTTPS discord.gg. Yes, discord.gg, and type if of course if you know the invite link or the code, you could just put in there like that. But if you don't and you want to join the server, you could put on any like random words, since someone uses those words. Some servers uses different words so that people can access their server. So let's try boom. Click on join server. So you'll see here there's a server for welcome to boom here. So that's kind of stuff. They could go again. HTTPS and discord.gg. Just type in, let's say, epic. Try epic. And boom, it'll be automatically joined on different servers like that. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.